So I'm out here today at the Kawasaki demo day. So lots of interesting bikes to try today. So we'll take a few of these out and give them a try and see how we like these. So I'll try and get some video on the bike too. All right, so I just finished riding this KLR. Unfortunately, my GoPro wasn't working, but I've always liked these KLRs, but never actually ridden one, and I always thought they were too tall. But actually, I'm not super tall, but I was able to tiptoe on it, and it rides pretty nice for one of these types. I've ridden on a couple different types, like the KTM 690, and these ride pretty smooth, and it's fairly inexpensive. So I think for
11 a.m. demo riders for that briefing, please.
Just a quick bike to have. I liked it a lot better than the Himalayan that I rode a couple weeks ago. So this might be the next one in the stable.
Supermoto.
All right, so just took this Ninja 400 out for a quick spin, and I think my GoPro ran out of card space, so I'm not going to be able to get any on-camera rides, but I think you got a little flavor. They took us on a little short 15-20 minute ride. But what's great about this bike is it's nice and light. So for 400, but got a lot of power. So there's a lot of beginner bikes out there that are in the 350 cc range, but this one at the 400, it doesn't feel like a beginner bike, but it's easy to ride, slow to the ground, very, very light, good throttle response, and so it's a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Just getting out there, and I think it's a bike you can grow into. So even though it might be a smaller bike, it's something you can definitely grow into as you become a more experienced rider. So you see a lot of those 350s show up at the used bike lots, because I think people just grow out of them, just not a lot of power. But this has got plenty of power, so if you want a newer bike, just starting out, this is definitely something to consider. And it just was a lot of fun, just really light, again, just you kind of think and it moves. So anyway, we're gonna go try something else next. We'll be back in a bit. All right, so just tried this 650 RS. And I like the way it looks, but it's the throttle for me was a little twitchy. So I'm gonna try the 900 RS. I think this, the 650, I think has the same engine as the KLR that I rode this earlier this morning. So I was thinking about trying to get on the Versus, but I really like this 900 RS. So I think I'm gonna give this a try. And they're taking a break for lunch, so we'll get back here after lunch and take this one out for a ride. And let me see if I can fix my GoPro and get this get a ride filmed for you guys. Okay, so just got off this Z900 RS. Man, this is probably the funnest bike I rode today. Really torquey, got lots of power, nice upright riding position, really smooth. Had a lot of fun with it, so I think we're done for the day riding, but really enjoyed riding this Kawasaki bike, and man, it just looks great. I think it just needs a little bikini fairing on it, and that'd be like the perfect bike for me. Check out this Kawasaki race bike. I think it's a little too much power for me, so I'm not going to try and get on it, but it's pretty cool that they brought it out for the demo day. Maybe next year. Maybe I'll try it next year, but been on a few bikes already here. A lot of fun. A lot of bikes out. Anytime there's a demo day, I really encourage people to come out and try different bikes, because you never know what you might like. I was on the KLR earlier today, and that was a lot of fun. If I've got time, I might try this Supermoto. I've always wanted a Supermoto, but I was just going to get a dual sport and then convert it to a Supermoto versus a purpose setup Supermoto. But I may check it out. Anyway, lots of bikes here out today.